teardrops start to dry. Even when the sun begins to shine again. Taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard
Guys, welcome back to another vlog, welcome back to another video, guys. Look at this, guys. This is what it's looking like this morning, guys. I'm now at my favorite store, my new favorite store, Home Depot. I'm going in real and truly. I just get a snow shovel because one that I had got broken. I'm now at Home Depot looking for a snow shovel, and as usual, taking you guys with me. Then I'm going to be going to the barber shop, see if I can get myself freshened up a little bit. Not is currently at the dentist. These are the only snow shovel, but these are a bit small. Need something a little bit bigger. So let's look inside, guys. Let's look inside.
I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry.
Ice melter, guys. Ice melter. These melt the ice when they build up. I'm gonna need one of those bags as well. Probably should grab a cart. No, typical guy. Don't know what we need until we see. Okay. Now here are the snow shovels, guys. You can get different prices. Different sizes. I need a big one. Broad one, $47. Broadest one is for $67, but this one kind of too expensive still. Wasn't, I don't know why Home Depot is so expensive, but it's quality though. That's the part I like. I'm gonna grab this one. This one is for $47. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna grab this one. This one looks broad enough. You can get different one, $59. You can get a $32 one. You can get a $41 one. What, a $41 one that look like it's broader than this one. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Yeah, it's broader, you know. And it's cheaper. I'm gonna grab that one then. But this one is 47. And that one is 41, and it's a bit broader. This feels a little bit more durable. But let me see. Let me see. Well, this feels heavy as well. I'm gonna grab this one instead. Pretty tall. Yeah. I'm gonna grab this one instead, guys. And I'm gonna grab a bag of ice melter. Can't have too much of these things. These things are essential in the winter months. I have 2 bags already at home. Grabbing this one. I have 2 bags already at home, but can't be too much. I'm gonna actually go and grab a cart because I need something else. I need one of those big mats to put at the front entrance. Yes, guys, I had to go and get a cart because this seems like it's gonna be too heavy to carry in my hands. So pop that in there, so. Yes, this is much better. Okay, let's take a look, guys. These are real trees, by the way. Citrus, lime tree. Well, I didn't know that they had lime tree for sale here. $49. So if you're into gardening, this is definitely something that would be of interest to you guys. I tried planting up stuff one year and nothing survived. I think it was too cold. So this is lemon. So you have lemon and lime. Not bad. It actually smells like the original lime tree. You know what I need, guys? I need one of these mats. This is mat I was talking about for the front entrance. $16. $16.98. I'll probably grab two. Yeah. Definitely gonna grab two. Is it? These are prices. Guys, summer is coming. I know what summer calls for. Barbecue. So just so you guys have an idea of what the barbecue grills are costing here in Grand Prairie. $799. This is for one. You can get cheaper ones, of course. This one, you know, I can throw some pork over here, so some chicken over that side. You have your shelves. Is this an electric or a gas? I don't really understand these things much, you know. Seems like it's an electric. Yeah. Then you have this one right here for $6.99. $100 cheaper. What's the difference between both of these? One has grey top and one has black top. That's the only difference. So why is one cheaper than the other? No idea. Definitely gonna need one of these guys. Then you have $5.99. This one's a little bit smaller, but it does the job just the same. You have $4.28. This $4.28 one kinda look like it's bigger than all of the other ones them so far. Yeah, and it has more space. Probably it's the brand. What brand is this? Next Grill. And those are spirits. So it's definitely the brand. This one is for $3.58. So Next Grill as well, $3.58. And this one is gas. You can see the connector right here. This is definitely a gas one, so you'll have to get your gas band. For that one, I like the space in it. You know what? Definitely should buy one of these. Definitely should buy one of these. Yeah. There we go. That shows you the temperature. Nice. Barbecue some steak and some something. Those vlogs are coming in the summer, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the Anderson's family if you haven't subscribed already. We're living here in beautiful Grand Prairie, Alberta. And I'm now in my new favorite store, Home Depot. Joys of a homeowner, right? Just doing a little bit of window shopping. Good morning, how are you?
How are you?
Fantastic.
Running in the market?
Yeah, all good. Sweet, thank you for asking. Sweet. Some of these lights. This is like a bathroom mirror light. Not bad, 150. That's what I've liked this one. 129. Should I buy it right now? Probably not. But this would look nice in the bathroom for sure. Yeah, because we're currently in the process of changing out the lights in our house. The lights that we got it with, we don't really like it. It's that round bulb, oval shaped bulb. I'm not sure what it's called, but we don't like that light. So we're changing out the lights in the house. But we're buying off Amazon because you get it a little bit cheaper there. But these prices don't look too bad either. 169. Okay, well, nice to know that. These are the lights I'm talking about that's in the house right now. Whatever it's called. These lights, we absolutely hate these lights. And I don't know why. Majority of places, oh yeah, that's right, because it's cheap. $14. So majority of the apartments, the houses, these are the lights that they have in there, man, and we absolutely hate it. This is what it looks like, guys. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It gives you that old yellow look. We don't like that look. So we're changing out the lights then. We changed the one in our bedroom already. We got something similar to this one. A little bit bigger. Well, yeah, probably 2 times this size, or 1.5 times this size for one of the bedrooms. But we want to change out the lights in the kitchen, the entranceway, the other bedrooms, the living room, everywhere. Everywhere. To something more fancy. Like these lights are average that I'm seeing is 150. That's 149, that's 169, that's 159. So we can balance it out to say roughly 150. Or this one is for 99 and you can get that, but I don't like that. I have different shapes and sizes up there. Over that side as well. Not too bad, not too bad. Light fixtures, you know? Alright, let's look on some bathroom fixtures, guys. Tubs. 175, 184, 283. These are just some sinks. Not bad. So if you're building or if you're changing out your stuff, you can get like $69 up top right here, $56, depending on what you're looking for. But Home Depot pretty much has everything you need. Okay, let's look at your toilets. $298, $365, $368, $349. Okay. Guys, comment down below and let me know what something like this would cost in Jamaica. Because we've never had to buy anything like this in Jamaica, so I have no idea of what the price point is like. Is this more expensive? Is this cheaper? Is it on par? What is the prices looking like for these things in Jamaica or even in other Caribbean countries or around the world? What are these prices looking like? Are they expensive? Or are they affordable? Let me know, guys. Seems like the further I go, the more expensive it gets. So this 198. This is just basic. Your flush is on the top part though. Malika and Malaya would have a field day with that. $2.59. Not bad. What do you got over this side? Oh, filter. Just for the vents. $12. That's so cheap there? That's crazy. I thought they were more expensive. Then you have the toilet seat covers. $77, $63. Oh, these are just duck mounts. Gotcha. These things are so cheap. I thought they were. When did I thought these things were more expensive, man? Okay, guys, that's enough of Home Depot. Was fun while it lasted, right? Nice place to hang out. But I need to get myself freshed up. Go to the barber shop. Now, next scene you see, I'll be in the barber shop. So Tino is not here, guys. So this is who I've been rocking with, Ivan. Ivan, are you single, bro?
Yes.
Yes, he's single and ready to mingle. But the only thing is, his English is. He's from. Where are you from?
Dominican.
He's from Dominican, so you're gonna have to work on your Spanish. Guys, fresh again. Nice husband look good again. Eh? Nice husband look nice again. Did he kind of look riff-raff? Yes. Eh? Yes, guys, so we're gonna go and get some food right now and get some Pediasure and these things and go back home. If you guys are watching this vlog and you haven't already subscribed, what are you guys waiting at? So you guys may be wondering, how much did that haircut cost me just now? So that haircut just cost me $42, which is not bad. And it's a nice cut, not like it, so mission accomplished. Sometimes we just go riff-raff, but that's not like it. I'm gonna riff-raff, so like it time we clean up. But not wrong with riff-raff sometimes. No, sometimes you have to riff-raff. Clean up every time.
Sometimes I go riff-raff.
Guys, it's a snowy day today, as you guys can see. It's not particularly cold. I'm not even wearing a jacket.
It's cold.
not that cold, babes.
It is cool.
Could have been colder.
It cool.
Negative 16 degrees based on what the car is telling me. When I had negative 50 last weekend, to be exact, negative 16 is sweater weather.
Yeah, I feel cool.
But we're getting a lot of snow right now. The roads are messy.
Where are we going?
I'm going to Shoppers to see if they have any pizza shore.
Oh.
And then just grab some Mary Browns and go. That's it. That's it, babes. That's it. That's it. Yes, guys, we're on the road.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch. Guess I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said.
Guys, you know how it is. Be there, sure. If you know, you know. I'm hungry, babes. Final time. Let's get some free promotion right now. Can I see that place? Tiny. Mary Brown's boy. Mary Brown chicken. Whoever Mary is, big up yourself, Mary. I tell him I love on the chicken, man. Mary Brown's, guys. This for me is one of the best fried chicken in all of Alberta that I've tried so far. KFC can't even come close. Popeyes is not in this league. Mary Brown are going to ourselves. Mary Brown are going to ourselves. Thank me later, by the way, Mary Brown. If you're watching this, say you're from Mary Brown. Yeah? Don't mash it. Yeah. If you're watching this, say you're from Mary Brown, reach out to me. I'd love to eat some free chicken. Just drop me an email. I'll make it happen. Alright? Make it make sense. But anyways, guys, we're just going to end this vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for coming along. We went to Home Depot. We went to the barber shop. We went to a number of different places today. Thank you guys for sticking it out all the way to the end of this vlog. Really appreciate you guys. Be sure to, before you leave, what should they do, guys?
Subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share.
Share. Really, really important, guys. And become a part of the Andersons family. Alright, guys. See you guys in the next video.